The Royal Media Services go to the record ViuSasa odonje county ma Meru limbe mar Jipange na ViuSasa. Limbe nono limbo gwenge kaka Mishune, Gadhera, Gadheri, nyaka Gitimbini. Jipange na ViuSasa jopinyo jiwo mondo ti mana gi siling 50 kende eneno chenro mantiere mbui mar ViuSasa. Mano bende miyo gi thuolo mar loyo mich mar siling 50,000 pile ka pile, siling 100,000 juma ka juma, kata siling 2,000,000 kaka loch maduong'.
Brongo etano ongeria ngana. Kwa mtu ina point brongo etano au
724 177 na account na
The reason we are out here as ViuSasa is because we just want to come and meet our audiences. We want to know who our audiences are, what it is that they like, what kind of content they are looking at, and most importantly, to also reward them. So this is our 8th birthday. We are celebrating 8 years since we were launched. So we decided that this 8th birthday, you know, when a child is 8 years old, they've gone to primary school. So as we go to primary school, we also go and celebrate with our people. So we are out here celebrating with our audiences. After this week, the following week, we head to Murang'a, Kiambu, and then after that, we go to Western Province and Eastern Province.